This is the one tool that you need to start getting business credit, even if you just started your business within the last 30 days. Now, hi, my name is Sawan Patrick. I'm a full-time real estate investor. I've used business credit to buy houses, buy appliances, to cover my assets whenever I go over budget so I can make more money in my business. Okay, and today I want to go over the first tool, okay, the first software that I used in order to get business credit, even though at the time I had bad credit. Let's get into it. Business credit is the big boy in the room. It's the elephant in the room that everybody is talking about, but nobody knows how to use appropriately. Most people, when they say, hey, I'm gonna go get a loan, they believe that they have to use their personal credit in order to qualify to get funds for their business, okay? And now society kind of brings us up to that because they're in college is credit, okay? That's just one thing that they're preaching about. But when you actually get into the entrepreneurial space, you will realize that businesses want to work with entrepreneurs because we spend money every day. And because we spend money every day, and because we have, a nation that has a lot of college debt, bad credit is a part of the society's norm. So there has to be, right? There has to be people who are willing to work with bad credit, clients in order to get them business credit, right? And today I want to share with you the first person who gave me an opportunity to get business funding that is unsecured. Meaning if I don't pay them back, they don't have anything. And that one is Quickbooks, okay? Quickbooks is a software that allows you to connect all of your accounts, okay? It's pretty much like an accounting software. Like you connect your debit cards, your credit cards, your accounts. Every kind of income or, expense source that you have, you can connect to it and it keeps tracks of your business. QuickBooks has these affiliate partners that they are tracking your data. So of course they see, hey, this guy is spending, $30 a day on Facebook. This guy is spending, $10,000 a month on contractor supplies. This guy is spending $2,000 a month on, HVAC services. So they are gathering all of this data from you and connecting it to their affiliates. And when these affiliates get your information, when they realize you're spending, just like the credit bureaus, they say, oh, we can help this person since they have so much money in transactions, since they have a consistent flow of transactions, we can help them just based off of the transactions that they do. They want to see that you're doing business, not necessarily that you're good with money, not necessarily that you have a pretty credit score, not necessarily that you made $1 million. They just like to see that you're making consistent transactions. And when you have a consistent track record of clients and expenses, gotta have both, okay? A real business has income and expenses. They will start sending you offers. Sometimes the offers will start to come in via email. Sometimes the offers will start coming in as you log into your QuickBooks, and then sometimes they'll come in via mail. Now, I will say once you get it, okay. Now, probably the first 4, maybe 6 invitations that I got for some business line of credit, I didn't take any action on it all because I was just like, I got bad credit. You're not gonna approve me for anything. Let me just keep working my business, okay? But finally, my assistant was like, hey, let's just try it out to see how it works. And if you can use it, then amen, you can use it. Because at the time we wanted to go harder on marketing, right? I think we were spending $5 a day on Facebook ads. And $5 a day, I think that was like a couple $100 or something like that. But it was bringing us like a $5,000 or $6,000 profit every month. So that tells you that if you can spend $5,000 a month on Facebook, you'll be able to 5x your return, right? Makes sense. You spend $1 to make 10. Why not spend $1,000 to make 10,000, right? So at the time, once again, money is coming in, money is going out. So you still need to find ways to leverage other people's money. And so what happened was they sent me, I logged in. They said, hey, you should try to get business credit for this company. Apply right here. I finally decided to say, hey, I'm gonna do it. And since it was already connected to all of my accounts already, they instantly gave me an approval based off of my transactions and the payments to pay this thing off. They just connected my accounts. So that way they make the payments for me right out of my accounts. Okay. Now, let me tell you the beautiful part about this, because it doesn't just start with one business credit card. It goes to 2 after you do well. It goes to 3 after you do well. And then all 3 of these cards go from $5,000 limits to $25,000 limits. Now I have an Amex Platinum card that has a $60,000 limit on it. Okay. I can buy a house with that. I can fund a rehab with that. You know, I can make $100,000 with $60,000 you know. So I want you to start using this today. I'm gonna leave a link below for QuickBooks. So just in case you guys might not have the best credit or the best situation, you guys can start connecting all of your accounts, all of your business habits to QuickBooks, right? Start creating that business and then take advantage of what the system has set in place for us to be able to make more money, okay? So go out, take action today. You guys have an amazing day. Let's get it.